Here's how you can save money in Dubai. So every month or two, you've got to top up on your cleaning supplies. So nearly 60 dirhams for 2.25 kilos of laundry detergent, 2 liters of fabric softener for 21 dirhams, 500 ml of dishwashing liquid for 9.25, 1 liter of toilet cleaner for almost 30 dirhams. Anyway, you get the idea. On average, the 7 items on my list costed me about 175 dirhams. Okay, now we're gonna see how much the same products cost, but from Be Clean instead. Okay, so laundry detergent, 2.5 kilos for 12 dirhams. Fabric softener, you can get 2 for 13.60. Hand soap, 18 dirhams. 5 liters, and we're done. Here's my final shopping cart. 7 items, total 47.49. That's less than regular detergent powder alone. With Be Clean, you get more for less. Next day delivery straight to your door. So now we know the prices are great. Now let's test out the quality. Stay tuned for part 2. So I put my mum on Be Clean and she came to me with an honest review that I'm going to share with you guys. So mum, do you want to tell the people what you were just telling me?
Honestly, I was skeptical at first because often the low price products are not that effective. So I just picked up the glass cleaner and spit on the mirror and I was like, oh wow, it actually works because it doesn't leave any white streaks. That was a problem I usually used to face with other products. You spray them, you even wipe with the newspaper, but it still has a lot of white streaks. I really want to show you. Come, let's see. I hope you can see. So this is the product, alright? So what I did, I just sprayed on the mirror. And this is also, by the way, Be Clean product. And look how easy it is just to tear the shape. It's actually a big thing. Some of them they don't tear so easily. And then I just swipe it. And it is just sparkling clean. There is no more white marks or streaks left. You see?
Yeah. Go Be Clean.
Yeah!